Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to learn about Google Drive. With the help of Google Drive I can store, share and access my files and folders from any mobile, PC or laptop. So for this just type Google Drive. Okay, remember one thing, this is my personal PC, so I can already log in with my ID, so I can easily open this. Or if I do not have any personal device, so or I have to use my organization PC or laptop, so just log in with your Gmail ID, then click on this button and then click on Drive. Okay, in this way you can open a drive or just search through a Google search engine, click on this Google Drive. Okay, so in this way you can open your Google Drive. Okay, now on your Android phone or other devices also you can find this Google Drive. Okay, so let me explain how we can upload our files, folders on Google Drive. So with the just plus new button. Okay, so I can directly upload it my file here, or in my point of view it is better to organize our files or in a folder. So just I want to click on this folder. Okay, yes, here I want to name the folder is bcom, like this, and then create. Okay, here you can see the folder will appear bcom. Just click on this bcom. There are no files. I can upload the files in two ways. Okay, just dropping the files here like this. Okay, open your folder where your file is, and then this, suppose I want to drop the file assignment 1 in bcom, so just click on this assignment 1. Okay, and then drop here you can see assignment 1 is uploaded. Okay, next thing I can do, just click on plus new button and then here file upload. Okay, just click on this file upload, open the folder where your file is uploaded. Okay, like this, I want to upload this marks file here. Okay, so in this way you can upload your file. Okay, now suppose I want to get back, so just click on this my drive. Now if I want to upload some common files, okay, this again just click on plus new button, then file upload. Okay, suppose I want to upload this file. Okay, this is an image file, that's why it appears. Okay, and now again I want to upload some folder, so just click on folder upload. Suppose this is the folder I want to upload and click on this. Here in the folder upload there are 7 files, so they ask me this file uploaded all files from Companies Act. Only do this if you trust the site. Okay, so I trust the site and then upload. Okay, so within a single click I can upload my folder. It takes time because it has 7 files.